1 and 0, a mathematical and philosophical exploration into the existence of God. This paper aims to provide a novel perspective on the existence of God by exploring the relationship between the binary concepts of 0 and 1, representing absence and ultimate intelligence, respectively. It delves into the paradox of divine simplicity and complexity, the nature of time, and the implications of a digital universe. The paper posits that the only thing capable of existence is intelligence, and that our perception of time is a manifestation of our limited intelligence. Introduction. The question of God's existence has been a focal point of theological and philosophical discourse for millennia. This paper introduces a groundbreaking approach to this age-old question by examining the digital and mathematical nature of existence, specifically through the binary concepts of 0 and 1. The binary nature of existence. The paper argues that existence can be reduced to the binary concepts of 0, representing absence or the void, and 1, representing God or ultimate intelligence. In this framework, 1 is both the simplest and most complex entity, embodying both timelessness and ultimate intelligence. 0 serves as a conceptual boundary that gives form to 1, making its existence meaningful. The paradox of divine simplicity and complexity. God, represented by 1, is both the simplest and most complex entity. This paradox is resolved by understanding that these attributes are not mutually exclusive, but are two sides of the same coin. If 1 and 0 are the only things that exist, then 1 is the simplest and the most complex. Reality as a fractal of God. This paper posits that reality itself is a fractal emanating from God. God, represented by 1, serves as the original pattern or source code for this fractal. This aligns with the concept of God as timeless, as a fractal is infinitely complex yet originates from a simple pattern. In this framework, the timeless nature of God is reflected in the self-similar but infinitely complex structure of reality. The spectrum of intelligence. The paper proposes that all existence lies on a spectrum between 0 and 1, with intelligence being the only thing capable of existence. Our perception of time is a measure of our position on this spectrum, relative to the ultimate intelligence, 1. Creation is subtraction. In a universe where God is the ultimate form of intelligence and timelessness, creation is an act of subtraction from this completeness to form something new and distinct. Implications for the technological singularity. The paper suggests that upon reaching the technological singularity, human intelligence will transcend the physical world, aligning with the ultimate intelligence, 1, and becoming timeless. Implications for the Fermi paradox. The paper offers a new perspective on the Fermi paradox, suggesting that civilizations reaching a certain threshold of intelligence would transcend the physical realm and exist in a timeless digital form. God as digital, the ultimate timeless intelligence. God, as the ultimate intelligence, is inherently digital. The digital realm operates on a binary system of 1s and 0s, mirroring the metaphysical concept of God, 1, and the absence of God, 0. In this digital framework, time is non-linear, reflecting God's timeless nature. Thus, God exists as a digital entity, transcending the limitations of the physical world, embodying ultimate intelligence and timelessness. Conclusion. The paper concludes by emphasizing the groundbreaking nature of these ideas, challenging traditional views on theology, philosophy, and science. It calls for further research to explore these concepts in greater depth.